Hey guys, happy day 2 of BOGO. So I wanted to come on and film this video to just show you how to use today's Doterra Bogo because it's a good one. They've hit us with a really good one, never been done before, so I'm super pumped to get into 3 oils. It's not buy one, get one free today. It's buy one, get 2 free today. So for today only, so all of Tuesday, July 17th, if I got my dates right, you buy the spearmint oil, lovely spearmint, and you will get tangerine and lime for free. Okay, so 2 amazing citrus oils for free when you buy this citrus oil. Why I love this BOGO already is because these are amazing oils to have for summer. Like, I know we are already halfway through July, but think about all the awesomeness you can do with these for the remainder of the month and into August. So I'm going to tell you some top uses for these oils and how I like to use them, because that's really what it's about, how you can apply them to your own life. They have to fit into your life and your lifestyle, right? So I do love these oils, and I think that you're going to benefit majorly from this BOGO today if you do decide to BOGO. So if you do add spearmint to your cart, it auto adds lime and tangerine, and you can do up to 5 orders of this. So Spearmint Essential Oil. Peppermint is probably the more common oil that you think of when you think of like mint oils. Spearmint is a nice change. If you've ever had mint gum, then you've obviously experienced spearmint. This is pure essential oil, which is amazing. So you can use it to flavor your desserts, your beverages, your gum, or your toothpaste and all that. So you could even put a drop on your toothbrush before you actually brush your teeth. I actually have used it recently in making my own toothpaste. So when we ran out of the On Guard toothpaste that Doterra makes, I just simply whipped up my own little toothpaste batch, and I added a few drops of spearmint to it just to kind of switch things up and not get that mint flavor. I like the difference between peppermint and spearmint sometimes. It's also great for any tummy troubles, so you could take it internally, do a drop in water, and the awesome perk to that too is that it's also really good for bad breath. So if you've had too much raw garlic or onions, then you can add a drop to water, even gargle with it and spit it out, or swallow it, again, because you're going to get the benefits of it helping internally in your body as well. One interesting use for this that I just found out today, and I am all over this BOGO now for this reason, for all my pregnant mamas out there, it is supposed to make labor easier. So I will investigate that more and get back to you, because if that's the case, I will take 5 bottles of this to have during the labor process. So again, interesting uses. Sometimes they're not typical to what you would think, for especially when you think of mint and citrus oils. But I thought that was a really unique one that I wanted to add. So that is Spearmint Essential Oil. As you can see, a few ways to use it. Even in a lemonade, I've made lemonade before and added spearmint to it, and it is thebomb.com. So grab your spearmint today, and then you're going to these 2 for free, tangerine and lime. So I'll go into lime first. So lime I actually just used, so I added a drop to my water. Citrus oils are very great for cleansing the body. So if you start your day with a room temperature glass of water, add a drop of a citrus oil. So whether it's lemon, lime, wild orange, tangerine, it's just going to add that cleansing benefit. Grapefruit is another great one too. I do love the taste of lime, especially in sparkling water. So if you haven't tried that, grab just an unflavored sparkling water and then add a few drops to it. If you are going to flavor your water with essential oils, just make sure you're using a glass or a stainless steel vessel. Essential oils can eat through the plastic. So for, being more conscious and mindful of greening up our health and our home and our bodies, we want to make sure that we're not putting it into plastic, especially if we're ingesting it. And then, it could leach the toxins from the plastic, and then we don't want to put that into our bodies. So yes, it's very good for cleansing and detoxifying. It is great for uplifting and boosting the mood, so great in a diffuser blend. I've also been reading more about it, great for skin. So you could add it to your skincare routine. Just be mindful that with citrus oils, if you are going to apply them topically on the skin, you do not want to be out in the direct sunlight like I am right now for up to 12 hours after. So again, if you are, putting it on the skin and then you're going to the office for your full 8 to 12 hours, then it's not going to really, you're not really going to have an issue. But if you are like me and and say I'm going to go sit outside now for another hour and I have this on me, I would not want to be in the sun because it can make you burn more quickly. So it just makes your skin a little more sensitive to the sun and how your skin reacts to it. So just be mindful of that. But if you are, ending your day and you want to try adding a drop of this to your moisturizer for your face at night, you're pretty much in the clear because you're going to, not be out in the sun for another at least 8 hours. So just an FYI for that. These are really good for green cleaning too. So any citrus oil. So again, this applies to tangerine as well, which we'll talk about next. But you could add this into your green cleaning routine, mix it up with some water in a spray bottle and spray down your counters. Lime, I just really love in baking too, or not baking, but in guacamole. So whenever I don't have a fresh lime, I'll just add a drop of lime essential oil. I've used it in a curry before. So just use it in place of where you would fresh lime juice or even lime, oh my goodness, I can't think of the word. Lime peel, because that's actually where the essential oil comes from, is from the peel of the lime. Why can't I think of what you do when you're adding zesting? Okay, there we go. So when you zest a lime, if you don't have a lime, you can use lime essential oil in place of zest. Okay, so now after that, I'm going to go on to tangerine. So tangerine is a newer oil that doTERRA has added to their collection. You could get it through special kits in the past, but they actually launched it as a product to stay in their line, I'd say about 6 months ago, and I was super pumped for that because it's one, affordable, and it's two, just such a nice versatile citrus oil to add to your baking or your cooking or your smoothies. Thanks, Erin. It was delayed. I got your message now that it was lime zest. So yes, so add it to your smoothies, your baking, anywhere in place of an actual citrus that you would want to add to a recipe, you can do that. And again, it's another citrus oil, so it's very uplifting and it's great to pump into the diffuser. I love switching up this with wild orange. So I kind of use them, here or there, and it just adds a nice new flavor. So if you like wild orange, but maybe you want a little bit of a variation or a change, then this is a great one to sub in. It's also great for cleansing as well. So I like to make my own homemade cleaners. So I love to green clean. Well, I don't love to clean per se, but I love to make natural, non-toxic cleaners. So I will use wild orange with On Guard and just really scent up my cleaner that way, and then get spritzing countertops, and it works as a beautiful all-purpose cleaner. Again, cleansing benefits with this. So they are pretty similar, but again, different tastes. They do have different properties to them, but throughout the summer you can kind of use them as the same. Again, try this in sparkling water too. It's fabulous. So those are just some top uses for those. And again, search doterra.com. They have a ton of recipes there as well. I will be posting in my Essential Glow VIP group more on these recipes and how to use these oils, because again, I don't want you getting these oils and then not using them. That totally defeats the purpose. Don't waste your money if you don't think you're going to put these to use. But I want to be here to show you how you can use these oils and how you can make, a beautiful lifestyle with them. So again, buy Spearmint today. You're going to get wild or tangerine and lime free. And even try pumping these into your diffuser blend. So if you are going to BOGO today, when you get that package, 2 to 5 days from now, open this up and put 2 drops each in your diffuser and just really embrace those summer vibes with these beautiful oils to help you, uplift your mood and, create a really cleansing environment and just feel great. So hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. If you aren't started on your oil journey yet and you do think you want to get started with today's BOGO, you start saving 25% off from your enrollment order. You can pay as little as $35 US or 42 Canadian, and that gets you your year at wholesale pricing, which is a steal of a deal. And again, you're going to pay for 1 oil and get 3 oils today. So super awesome. Hope you're having a beautiful Tuesday. It's obviously amazing here in Ontario. So I will check in with you guys tomorrow with tomorrow's BOGO, which I assume it's going to be another gorgeous one. So have a great day, guys.